Hello everyone, Rubik's Cube enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Have you ever wondered how fast a Rubik's Cube can be solved? What if I told you someone did it in less than half a second? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're taking you on an astonishing journey through the most incredible Rubik's Cube records. Our first record comes from Poland. Teodor Zajder solved the 2x2x2 cube in 0.43 seconds. Yes, less than half a second. Imagine trying to solve something as fast as a blink. Teodor, you're a living legend of the cube. Now, get ready for the amazing Max part from the USA, the undisputed king of cubes. Let's start with the classic 3x3x3 cube. Max solved it in 3.13 seconds. That's almost the time it takes to say Rubik's Cube. But Max doesn't stop there. In the 4x4x4 cube, he did it in 15.71 seconds. That's pure magic with his hands. Max also holds the record in the 5x5x5 cube with a time of 32.52 seconds. He could do this while making his breakfast. And in the 6x6x6 cube, Max achieved 59.74 seconds. Not even a minute. In the gigantic 7x7x7 cube, Max did it in 1 minute and 35.68 seconds. It seems like no cube can resist him. Max is also a master with one hand. In the 3x3x3 one-handed category, he holds the record with 6.2 seconds. 6.2 seconds with one hand. People. Let's move on to Italy. Sebastiano Tronto holds the 3x3x3 fewest moves record with just 16 moves. That's maximum efficiency. Now, let's see the Pyraminx. Simon Kellum from the USA solved it in 0.73 seconds. Almost as fast as the 2x2x2 cube. From Argentina, Leandro Martin Lopez solved the Megaminx in 23.18 seconds. That's incredible for such a complex cube. Ryan Pilot from the USA holds the square one record with 3.41 seconds. Those twists and turns are no problem for him. Niklas Aasen Eliasson from Norway holds the clock record with 2.25 seconds. Those gears have never turned so fast. Carter Kikola from the USA solved the Skewb in 0.75 seconds. That's real speed. Tommy Cherry from the USA holds the 3x3x3 blindfolded record with 12 seconds. Solving the cube without seeing it in 12 seconds is astonishing. Stanley Chappell has also achieved impressive blindfolded records. 4x4x4 blindfolded in 51.96 seconds. Five by 5x5 blindfolded in 2 minutes and 4.41 seconds.
Like a hurricane,
And finally, Graham Siggins from the USA holds the 3x3x3 multi-blind record with 62 cubes solved out of 65 in 57 minutes and 47 seconds. A monumental feat. These records show the talent and dedication of these Rubik's Cube enthusiasts. Who knows what records will be broken next? Maybe one of you will be the next record holder. Keep practicing and never give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.